Yeah.
Thinking all that.
Y'all been telling themselves now. Wish a rich with a bitch and a bitch wanna see what they can't believe, but they can't sell now. I said, I'm on functionality, go down so fast, that's the thing. And we blow up like a pea. They should fold it, never hold me. Stack of the true blast, what you do. We can't commit your crew, but we tell them what to do. How they is, that be true, but I make solely. I came out the wildest freestyle in the holy. I'm at the glory, black heaven's bells, and drink my floaty. I'm all set with you, with a steel reserve in my hand, and a 20 sack in my pocket. Flat don't wear up, but yeah, I don't play, but it's ain't for me. Slave of Weezy, let's say with TV. This is all on the TV. It's too absurd to see this. I made the front, license one, with an ace to stun, license one. Oh yeah, they try to do me. This is P-Line, when you sue me. Yeah, P-Phase. But what's this?
Yo, I'm about to change the phase. Poke the spot with smoke, purple haze on the days. If you wanna get it, I'ma raise the dead, and then I'm getting you head from your sister. Yeah, you know what this is. You could call me Mr. Color Purple if you wanna get hit up. Yeah, and I bring you the beloved. If you wanna get it, I'll get you and your cousin. Yeah, we got the dirty dozen. We rolling up the weed and we smoking what is. Yeah, and it's in the back. Cause Pat is black and he's getting black. I ain't got no bars right now because I got no heart right now. Pass the crack, pass the whack if you wanna get back, cause Pat is whack and you know that's the truth and spit it. Oh shit. Yeah, forget it.
Y'all gon' cool with it. Y'all gon' strong with it. Y'all gon' playing with it. Y'all gon' see me. I'm up on TV. Vibing off that stuff out down to 3D. See what's sick, but I see me. I'm gonna play my extra lit. I need marijuana plant. Smoke and smoke cause we in Washington. That means that it's legal to smoke weed. It's so received at the dispensary. We never fuck, we never police. Both friends that rose in the hand that take like a white man. God said, y'all damn, I got some of them fucking questions. Y'all better vote it, better not vote it, and you can't come like Obi-Wan Kenobi. Rose that why they want me. Come on, cancel now, big people who me. Someone say you're canceled on the height, but that's okay, you don't have to hide. Press the slide, it's VMP. We make a cushion more than fantasy. Last of line with me, see, last of the ass like the sass to be. Black and cheese, I'm the knocket. Black on swaggin' and they run the butt naked. Yeah, it's the only place around me. Here come the motherfucking homie. Come on, man, throw it up the next beat.
Yo, my rhymes is spirit. Yeah, you gotta hear it. If you didn't know, I'm coming with super ill lyrics. Yeah, and I got the spirit. And if you wanna get it, I'ma bring the tearing. Yeah, and I'm tearing down the tabernacle. If I have to tackle, then I have to grapple. Yeah, grapple. Yeah, that's the babble. If you wanna get it, I'm tearing down the tower. Yeah, see if you wanna hit the shower, you're gonna get the power, cause I get the hours up the day and I make my way and I get the truth and I get the play. And if you wanna see me play with clouds, yeah, and I got the style and I'm gonna go for a while. Yeah, I got the wiles and the devil coming at me, so I gotta come back with this freestyle really hard. Gotta battle really hard against these fucking retards.
Yeah, that's how we do on a Steel Reserve flavor one like a blackberry. I'm a little drunk, that's okay. But I said, come on, kill some logic. I'm coming with another with posse with this shit. I'm coming with a posse and shit.
You have to
Alright, peace out.